Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the window shake feature on the Windows 11. So here, I'm going to just go to the in here, click on this Windows button and then just search for the Snap Windows settings. This one, you can just click on it. And in here there will be this option title bar window shake. So this is the window shake feature. So when if you want to, you can turn it on, and so when you turn it on, you can grab a Windows title bar and shake it to minimize all other windows. So let's just try like this, or you can also just do it like so. Let's open the other tab in here. Okay, let's just see if it works. So you need to just shake it like this. Okay, so the other apps you can see will be minimized. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.